Hey, this is Zach with Use What You Got, and today I'm going to show you how to install a sway bar on a pop-up camper.
Yep.
This is a sway bar itself. It's the main attraction, and this is the ball mount that will get attached to the camper frame. We have a different hitch that we've used in the past, but we purchased this one because the ball is actually removable, which is very important for this installation. To get started, remove the ball from the hitch. Make sure you do not lose that washer. These are the screws that are used to install the ball to the camper body, and this is the kit that we purchased for the main part of the hitch. The instructions are actually really simple. These two parts right here actually sit on top of the hitch, and they all get bolted together. I made sure that each bolt was finger tight. Then I grabbed my socket wrenches and tightened them down. After that, I attached the smaller ball with my channel lock pliers. The new hitch mount was really tight, so I was unable to pull it out of our raised hitch attachment, which you'll see more about in a moment. I had to set this up similar to how it would be in a vise, but I don't have mine set up at the moment, so use what you got, right? Later, I backed the van into place, but my first mistake, I should have backed it in on the other side. You'll see that I actually moved it later. Here you can see an example of what it will end up looking like. It gets pulled out to a certain point where the smaller ball is so that the camper frame and the sway bar are both equal distance. I'm a thinker, so I like to prep in my mind before I do things. It will make more sense once the hitch is actually in place. This bad boy right here is about 30 to 40 pounds. It is so heavy. I probably won't use it very much anymore. I originally planned to drill holes in the sides of the frame, so I bought these. Then I realized there are actually holes already there. If you do have to drill them, make sure your drill bit is the width of the body of the screw, but smaller than the threads of the screw. I decided to at least use it to knock out these plastic screws that were in my way. It was hard to hold up the ball mount, so I used some tape to assist me. Then I was able to line up 4 out of 6 of the screws, which is going to be plenty strong, and then I tightened them down. Now, you can actually see what it'll look like once it's done. I finally got the van in place and put the pins in so the sway bar could not come off. I noticed that there was a lot of sway in the bar, no pun intended, so I reached out to my all-knowing father-in-law, and he said that it was supposed to be like that, so alright. So here's what it looks like. It's actually a pretty simple installation. My family's going camping soon, so I'll probably put out another video sharing our experience how it was actually driving with it. But if you're going to replace your awning trim on your camper, definitely check out this video.